The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States federal government. The supervolcano under Yellowstone National Park is expected to erupt within the next few days, and will cause major damage in several locations. The effects of lava flow, ash fall, and earthquakes are expected to be serious and severe. As of 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, an immediate evacuation is ordered for all residents within a 300 miles radius of the edges of Yellowstone National Park. All other residents should consider moving away from the volcano towards the ocean coastlines. When the eruption occurs, several events can be expected. A loud noise that can be heard thousands of miles away will be heard. Volcanic ash could reach as far as the Mississippi River as well as all points west of the volcano. Lava will explode out, destroying everything in path in the evacuation area. If you are in the evacuation area, but do not leave, you will face certain death. To evacuate the area in the most effective manner, follow the routes designated by officials. Contraflow may be enacted in many areas, so avoid traveling towards the volcano. Numerous locations will be set up by officials as safe havens. If you do not have a place to protect yourself, go to one of those shelters. Again, an immediate evacuation order has been issued for all residents within a 300-mile radius of Yellowstone National Park. If you are in this area, leave your homes and businesses immediately.